Introducing Juiced Bike's newest HyperScorpion. That's right, folks. You get discreet badging that tell you what this bike really is. Go to juicedbikes.com and order your HyperScorpion SHITBOX. It's available and shipping right now. Matter of fact, it's probably already shipped. There's a really good chance that you've already got a SHITBOX edition. You just don't know it. Let everybody know when you're arriving that you're on a SHITBOX. Call Toga Harris now at Juice Bikes and tell them that you want your SHITBOX. It's not a limited edition. You're almost guaranteed any HyperScorpion to be a SHITBOX edition. Juice Bikes SHITBOX edition is guaranteed never to go 0 to 60. Guaranteed you will never, ever get 70 plus miles of range. And anything else that they promise you, forget it. Everybody wants a SHITBOX. You better have a ladder to buy so that you can support it while you're working on it. Because that's what I'm doing again. This thing's breaking out on me. Power's cutting off. No throttle, no pedal assist. I'm in the process of troubleshooting it. Why? It's a SHITBOX edition. See ya.